Hey, wait a second. Don't scroll past this. You're here for a reason, and I'm here to help you figure out something incredible. Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel? Maybe making money while sharing your ideas, your talent, or your passion. Well, I've got great news. You can do it. And before you think, oh, I can't, or I don't have the right tools, let me stop you right there. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need a ton of experience. You just need to start. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know: how to get started, how to make money, and how to use tools to make your videos better. And here's the best part: it's all free. So stick with me for the next few minutes. I promise this will be worth your time. Whether you're a student, a hustler, a parent, or just someone with a dream, this is your moment. Let's make it happen. Step 1. Start with what you have. Let me ask you something. What's stopping you from starting right now? Is it because you think you need expensive equipment or some perfect plan? Let me tell you the truth. You don't. If you have a phone, a laptop, or even a tablet, you've got everything you need. That phone in your pocket, it's not just for scrolling or playing games. It's a powerful tool that can record, edit, and upload videos directly to YouTube. And if you've got a computer, even better. You could do more detailed editing and manage your channel. But let's say all you have is a phone. That's fine. You can start with just that and grow over time. Don't let what you don't have stop you from using what you do have. What do you think? Can you pick up your phone or sit at your laptop and take the first step today? If you can imagine it, you can do it. Step 2. How to get monetized and start earning money. Now let's get into the part that excites everyone. How do you actually make money on YouTube? It's simpler than you think. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money, here's what you need to do. 1. Get 1,000 subscribers. That's your first big milestone. Don't worry. It's achievable with consistent content and effort. 2. Reach 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. This means people need to collectively spend 4,000 hours watching your videos. It sounds like a lot, but if your content is engaging, you'll get there. Or get 10 million views on YouTube Shorts in 90 days. If you love short-form content, this is your ticket. Shorts are blowing up right now and are a fast way to grow.